What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now we actually have to use this table because that one doesn't have enough room for these giant boxes. But right here, guys, we have one from our man over at Jesse's Diecast Garage. He said he found some good stuff over at Goodwill and thought I would enjoy it for the collection. So Jesse, thank you so much for sending whatever contents are in this box. I definitely appreciate you. And then right here in this gigantic one is from our man Helmet Diecast, aka Mike Martello. I cannot wait to open this one because this is actually a custom made product and I can't wait to showcase this to you guys. So let's get straight into it. We're gonna go ahead and open up the one from Jesse, see what we got. All right, here we go. First box says, Jason the Mustang Hunter. My friend, how are you? Great, I hope for you, your wife, and daughter. So I found these at my local Goodwill, thought you might like them. I found it funny, the sponsors of these cars, and I guess the 1/64 scale could keep you up all night wondering. Oh, laugh out loud. Anyways, keep it, trade it, on back. Whatever you like, stay safe, and again, thank you for your service. Jesse at Jesse's Diecast Garage. Oh man, you got me excited and questioning what is in this package. But of course, thank you again. Here we go. We got another sticker. We're actually gonna put you up on this one since you are on the track right there. So since you're on the track, we're gonna put you up with all the other legends who support the channel. Let's put it right here. Boom. Nice. All right, let's see. Oh, dude. Look at that. Oh, man. Ooh, this has just been a NASCAR week. Check it out, guys. The number 11 Hooters car from Racing Champions. Look at that, man. Who's the driver of this one? It is, oh, Brett Bodine. Nice, there you go. Nice silver metallic, love the livery. Of course, Hooters. Hooters is a great spot to eat some really good wings, but this is a 2003 NASCAR release for the collector series. Check that out, man. Dude, that is so cool. Hometown is Chemung, New York. Don't know where that's at. Birthday 1/11/59, so one day before my birthday. My dude, Brett Bodine. Check that out. Dude, that is so freaking cool. It's perfect that I'm opening it up right here over pretty much in the little NASCAR corner. Uh-oh, we got a little box over here. Which one to open up? Uh-oh, look at this. Oh man, back-to-back Hooters. But this is the old Thunderbird. Look at that. Dude, that is so legendary, man. Oh, that is so nice. The number 7, definitely loving this. Man, this is in really good shape. Looks like the hood opens. Let's go ahead and see what's crammed underneath. Oh yeah, there we go. Got the NASCAR little naturally aspirated V8. Oh man, dude, this is freaking cool, man. Alan Colwick. I don't know that driver, but dude, this is a nice casting. Oh man, talk about back-to-back NASCAR videos. Dude, that is so sick. All right, let's see, what is this one? Uh-oh, there we go. Number 6, Mark Martin right here, guys. Ooh, check that out. Oh, I get what you mean now. You got Hooters and the Viagra car. Oh, that is too funny. That is too funny, but there we go, the number 6 Viagra car. Oh man, now I get it. And I guess the 1/64 scale could keep you up all night wondering. Look at that, adult collectible number 6 Viagra. Oh, I can't stop laughing every time I say that. A little custom built car right there. Oh man, Mark Martin drove some interesting cars, but this is the first Viagra car I have. I have the Pfizer. Oh, that's too funny. I have the Pfizers. Of course, I have the Xerox, the AAA, And now I got the Viagra car. Nice. Oh man, I like how you led off with 2 Hooters cars and the Viagra. Classic. Classic, man. Oh, that is too funny, but those are so awesome. All right, and then here we go. This one's actually kind of heavy. I don't know what this one is. All right, let's go ahead and make some room. All right, here we go. Oh, nice. Dude, you found these at Goodwill? Are you freaking kidding me? Every Goodwill I've ever been to, even in Arizona, was so lame. Look at that, man. That is awesome. Check that out, guys. Motorworks. So it's the same brand that does the Viagra number 6. You have the dolly, the extra tires with the labels. That is so cool. Jack stands, the rolling toolkit. Dude, that is legendary. Look at that. So there we go, guys. Straight from Jesse's Diecast. We have some awesome NASCAR products right here. We have the number 7 Hooters Thunderbird, which I think is an awesome casting. I love the retro generation of NASCAR. And then you got this one right here, the Ford Taurus number 11 Hooters car, driven by Brett Bodine. This one is Alan Colwick. And then of course, this is a freaking cool like diorama set. Once I get everything situated, I do want to start opening up stuff. There's the Dale Earnhardt car that I just bought, and if you didn't see the post, I detailed it and it looks brand new. Check that out. So I do want to have like a NASCAR corner. I might redo all this and have this specifically designated for NASCAR stuff only. Have everything open because they just look really cool out of the package. So man, that is awesome. And then of course, the legendary Mark Martin himself, my favorite driver, favorite number. It's my lucky number, driving the Viagra car. That package just made my day. That is hilarious. Jesse, thank you so much for finding these and sending them my way. I definitely appreciate you. And of course, if you're looking for anything, please let me know. Because yeah, I just like to return the favor as well. So thank you so much. We're gonna go ahead and clear this out and make some room so we can get to the box that our man Helmet Diecast, aka Mike Martello, sent. All right, guys, here we go. This is a custom piece, and I cannot wait to showcase it to you guys. I think it's very fitting, especially followed up by some NASCAR heat like this. So let's go ahead and open this up and showcase this beauty. This is handcrafted, guys. Handcrafted. Here we go. Nice business card right here. Throwing shade. Oh, I love that. Here we go. Heather Nolan, lampshade designer. Here's all the social media links. Be sure to give a follow. Reach out if you want some custom stuff. There's all the contact. So Throwing Shade, I love the name of that. That is so cool. But let's go ahead and see the artwork that Heather threw together. Oh man, dude, this is like 10 times better in person. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. Look at that lampshade. Oh dude, that is handcrafted to perfection. Check that out, guys. You have the Hot Wheels flame with the supported deco. And check it out. You got the treasure hunt flame in gold. Look at that, man. That is awesome. Look at the quality of that. And you have little tassels hanging off the edge. I don't know the correct term, so if you know, please let me know down in the comments. But man, that is awesome looking. I love how you did the white and black checkered flag to separate the black and gray. I think that's a really nice contrast. Just really breaks it up. Wow, man, that is awesome. So if you guys want a custom shade, hit up Heather Nolan, lampshade designer. I mean, come on, that is, wow. Throwing Shade, such an awesome name for that. I love it. That right there, guys, matched up perfectly with the checkered flag following the NASCAR. Yeah, that is awesome. So there we go, guys. That is straight out from Helmet Diecast. with Throwin Shade. Heather, thank you so much for taking the time to make this lampshade for me and to showcase in the channel. So like I said, guys, go support if you're looking to get something like that. Go check her out. There's her email and website, throwinshade15.etsy.com. Man, that is awesome. So there we go, guys. 2 awesome packages from amazing people. We got Jesse's Diecast Garage, like I said, with these awesome NASCAR pieces, and of course, the lampshade. But of course, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course, comment down below what you thought of all this goodness. I know it's back-to-back NASCAR, which I think is very fitting because yeah, it's almost like NASCAR week over here. I've been purchasing NASCAR stuff like crazy. I got some more stuff over there. But that is all we got for today's episode, guys. I appreciate you all watching, supporting, and smashing that like button. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe so you can stay tuned for future videos. And yeah, that is all we got. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.